This is how chocolate is made, from farm to finish.
Every chocolate bar begins on a cocoa farm.
This one's ready.
NAR. Cocoa pods are harvested by hand to protect quality.
Pass it here.
Watch the branch.
Teamwork drives cocoa harvesting.
Inside every pod are the beans that become chocolate. Fermentation builds chocolate flavor.
Smells right.
Timing is critical during fermentation.
Drying prepares beans for transport. Only quality beans move forward.
Cocoa beans are packed for the factory journey. The farm hands chocolate over to industry.
Set them here. The chocolate factory begins with raw cocoa beans.
Gravity feeds the chocolate process. Clean beans protect chocolate quality.
Roasting unlocks chocolate flavor.
Controlled cooling stabilizes flavor. Only the nib becomes chocolate. Grinding turns solids into chocolate liquor.
Blends smooth. Ingredients shape chocolate's taste. Time and motion create silkiness.
Now, chocolate is ready to be shaped.
Temp is locked. Tempering gives chocolate its perfect finish.
Shape defines every chocolate bar.
Cooling locks structure.
Precision prevents defects.
Looks clean. Quality is checked again.
Packaging protects flavor.
Chocolate is prepared for distribution.
Storage preserves freshness.
Chocolate reaches the shelf.
This is how chocolate is made, from farm to finish.